The myth claims that cracking your knuckles every day will cause arthritis and chronic hand pain. In a controlled comparison, researchers observed two groups over years, documenting joint health, grip strength, and pain reports. High-speed videos revealed that the sound comes from gas bubbles collapsing, not bones rubbing, debunking the mechanical harm idea. The real risk was soft tissue irritation in some participants, not arthritis, suggesting occasional cracking is harmless for most people. Bottom line, science finds no direct arthritis link, but repeated cracking may irritate soft tissues and uncomfortable joints.